that I finished brushing my teeth, I can now show you my skin routine to get you this nice, flawless, glowy skin everyone be talking and asking me about. Carmen is responsible for this, okay? So make sure y'all brush your teeth before y'all go to sleep, because after everything that y'all doing today, eating, drinking, smoking, whatever you're doing, make sure you clean them teeth. But now, let's get into the skin. Hi there. Okay, so it's probably about like 2 a.m. I'm about to do my facial routine. It's my first one, so bear with me. So shout out to my sis Carmen. She definitely made sure she got me my kits, and she's in Alina. Shout out to Tiara for my lashes. They need fill-ins, but they're still popping. So as you can see, I have some breakouts right there, and this was a bump. It's now a mark, but I have no makeup on, so let's get this show started. First thing first, we're going to use the Special Cleansing Gel. Make sure when you do it that the way you have your face wrapped, and then make sure that your face is wet. Second is the Skin Prep Scrub. So it turns into like the texture of it. You put about, actually you're supposed to use this kind of like to exfoliate. So since I don't have my exfoliate sponge or whatever you would call it, I'm gonna put it on here, my rag. Hold it like that. Then we're going to mesh it well. Hold it like that. And look. Just scrub. You only do the scrub, or at least supposed to, 2 or 3 times a week. Not really every day, because you're scrubbing off layers of skin. So I don't know how good that would be for your skin to literally do this every single day. So 2 to 3 times a week. Third step is the multi-active toner. And this sets your skin. Already kind of puts a glow on your face, as you can see from my nose. My hair is going off crazy. Fourth step, your active moist, which is your lotion. So you put it on. You're supposed to put it up. Carmen told you to go. I don't know if everyone else do it like this, but Carmen basically said that you liven your skin back up. So after I lift it this way, I will make sure I put it everywhere. And lastly, use Total Eye Care. And you put these right underneath your eyes. Voila.